And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can take a beautiful photos in the Samsung Galaxy S9 Ultra. So to first open the camera app, then tap on the settings icon and look for the swipe shutter button to enable the take birth shot. Go back to the camera and just hold the shutter button and swipe to the right. We took 13 photos now, and if you need to pick the best one from them, just open it in the gallery and click on this little icon. Select your best frames and tap on the download icon. Now decide that you want to delete all of the unselected photos and click save. And this how it works. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.